see better now.
Hello, David Morales. Back to Slovenia once more. How are you? Is the start?
Wait, I want to know if we have the same camera. Wait a minute. Hold up. No, I have the new version.
No, yours better. Well, I'm on the budget.
So am I.
So
I'm on a bigger budget. No.
you're working on some fresh releases. Tell us more. They're just about the corner.
Oh,
basically.
wow, my God. It's been a very busy spring, I'd say. I've been working on a new album now, which unfortunately because of between traveling and some personal things, I can't finish the album probably until after the summer, but I will have a new release as of June, hopefully. Trying to decide this week what the name of this person is going to be, and you can do videos and all. Last week I just launched my new website, which is www.djdemorales.com, lowercase letters. I'll be launching my merchandise line in a couple of weeks as well. So
you're doing that on your own, or have you connected with some big brands? Because you are known to connect with big brands.
Well, actually, no. I'm actually doing everything through. I mean, my merchandise is going to go through Dubai and Amsterdam, which is a very big company that does t-shirt merchandising for many DJs in Amsterdam, which I think maybe is TSO's company, I think. But anyway, doing that, and well, you know, the summer is starting. You know, next week is Ibiza.
Yay! And you will be at Pasha again.
I will be doing Pasha 4 Tuesdays out of the summer for Pasha Seduction, and 2 for Defected.
You are also very keen of Greece. Again, in Greece this year?
Yes, I'll be doing the Karaoke Beach Party, which is amazing in Athens. Like an hour and a half out of the center of Athens, amazing. Of course, I'll be doing Mykonos in July, and my birthday party in Mykonos in August.
That notorious birthday party.
The notorious. Year number 16.
Woohoo!
That means I'm getting old.
No, it's just that you had every second party there.
Absolutely. My party is one long weekend. One long week, should I say.
So hopefully we will hear you a lot this summer around.
Absolutely. I hope everybody gets excited for my first single is either going to be Gaga or I Really Love. One of those two will be my first single.
And it's out on Ultra Records.
It will be out on Ultra Records.
Thank you very much.